Sun Salutation with blocks. Stand with the blocks in front of your feet. Position your feet so that your body feels stable, grounded, and at ease. Alter the width between your feet as needed to find that stability. Mountain pose. Breathe in, sweep your arms up into extended mountain. And as you exhale, begin to bend from the knees, fold forward from the hips, allowing the body to curve forward into standing forward fold, moving any flesh out of the way as you go. Then reach for the blocks, adjusting the height of the blocks, coming into your standing forward fold. Inhale, come up into a halfway lift. Exhale, release back down. Slide the blocks in closer as you step back with the right foot, coming into a low lunge. Option to place a blanket under the back knee, lower the back knee, place the top of the foot flat, slide the blocks in further toward your body. Stay here. Option to place both hands on the front thigh and come more upright. An option to sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, release the hands back to the blocks. Sweep the left leg out and around, moving it back to meet the right, coming into tabletop position. Move the blocks aside, plant the hands in tabletop, and then walk the hands a little bit forward, coming forward into a knee down plank position. Elbows point to the back of the room. Begin to drape the body, starting from the thighs, working up to the hips, the chest, the head. Elbows point to the back, all the way down. When you reach the ground, adjust your hands, maybe coming a little bit more outside of the shoulders, further apart to find greater stability as you lift the upper body, drawing the shoulder blades back, coming into a baby cobra pose. Breathe into your back bend. Draw the upper arm bones back. Exhale and release. Hands come closer to the body. Push back up into all fours. Tabletop position. Take your blocks under the hands. From all fours, walk the blocks forward, about shoulder width apart. Hips stay over the knees as you begin to lower your torso between the arms, coming into extended puppy pose. Breathe as you walk the blocks back toward the body. Returning to tabletop position. Bring your right knee out and around to the side, rainbowing the foot up on the outside of the right hand. Again, the blocks can come in closer to you and change the height of the blocks. Hands can come to the front thigh, or arms can sweep up overhead. Exhale, hands return to the blocks. Walk the blocks a little bit forward as you tuck the back toes, put more weight into the front foot, lift the back knee, step back forward into your standing forward fold. Release. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. And then inhale as you slide the hands up the body. Exhale into halfway lift. Next inhale, hands come to hips, shoulders draw back, elbows draw back. Exhale, release, returning to your stable, your comfortable, your easeful mountain pose.